Before I show you what I've been working on, let me explain.
What you want, what you want.
A lot of you out there may not know I've got an older brother. Earlier this year, he called me and kept texting me wanting me to teach him and a couple other people how to do paper mache. And I was busy and he kept hounding me about it, and so I didn't have the time, couldn't really get everything, you know, locked in and put together to go and show him the ropes and show these two guys what to do. So anyway, I was asking what he wanted, or why he was wanting to learn what was going on. And he had told me that he wanted to learn how to build a little paper mache dude that was peeing. Why do you want to build this dude who's peeing? What's the deal with this? Kind of long story short, a while back, a friend of his, they had a party. The friend got a little too tipsy, passed out on the couch, and wound up pissing all over the couch. Instead of getting rid of the couch or having the couch cleaned or whatever it was, they burned the couch. That's how they got rid of the couch or cleaned the couch. They just burned the couch. So now, every year on his birthday, he's wanting to build a little dude who's peeing, and they were going to put it on a couch or something and put kerosene on it and light it and start their party that way and do some kind of tradition type of thing. Yeah. I just told him, you know what, instead of me teaching you guys, how about I just make you one every year? I'll make you a little dude and you can do whatever you want to with him, go from there. So that's what I've been working on. It doesn't have to do with Halloween, but I have been doing some stuff. So let me show you this little guy that's soon to maybe meet his doom. I don't know. I sent my brother some pictures of it, and now he says he doesn't want to burn it. Anyway, keep in mind before I show you guys this, the skin texture on this thing is rough, you know, that type of stuff, because I wasn't spending a whole lot of time to detail this thing out because I knew they were going to burn it. At least that's originally what they were going to do. They were going to burn it. So I wanted to make it cool looking, but I wasn't going to waste a whole heck of a lot of time smoothing this thing out and just making it pristine. But I put some old stuff in here that I thought was funny. There's stuff, you know, that kind of goes along with his attitude, and there's things that from back when I was in school that I thought was funny, so I just put everything together all in one. So this is the little dude here. Yeah, he's covered up. I wasn't sure how you two would feel about that, because he's got a you know, he's got a detailed little schlong going on there that he's holding with one hand and peeing. So anyway, we went and see if I can do this. I made him a cup of beer or whatever that's spilling out. This little dude's supposed to be drunk, probably outside, you know, holding his pecker and taking a leak. I gave him some plaid shorts. I gave him plaid shorts because my brother wears plaid shorts all the time. Put a hat on him. Did the hat. My brother's a big KU fan, so we made it a KU hat. But the thing I thought would be funny, back in the day when I was in school, we get in trouble for it. We weren't supposed to wear things to school, these shirts, but we did anyway, and we always got in trouble. It was, some of you people out there might remember this, some of you might not. Big Johnson t-shirts were a huge thing. They were always funny and hilarious. So I thought, you know what, we got a little drunk guy out here. If he's the type of guy that's going to be taking a piss in front of everybody, he'd be the type of guy that'd be sporting a Big Johnson shirt. So I took this image off the internet, printed it out. I wound up, it was on standard paper, so I sanded that stuff down and made it really thin, sanded all the edges so I could mache it into the shirt and make it look like it was part of the shirt. It turned out pretty good. So anyway, this little dude is he's finished out. He's gonna go to my brother's tomorrow. That way he's got it in plain time for his party. But it's been pretty funny. I've been laughing the whole time I've made this thing. It took several pictures of it in the process. I wanted to show everybody, maybe even on Facebook and stuff, but I just really wasn't sure how appropriate it was to put that stuff out on the internet. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. It's been fun. I'm going to get back into Halloween stuff, but I just had to show you guys this little guy. It's hilarious. The whole thing is just funny. So it was a fun build and cracked me up the entire time I was making it, and it pushed me in some different directions that was fun to do. I'll have to explain a few other things why I haven't been posting and what's been tying me up this year. Okay, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, reasons, more like excuses that I haven't been putting anything on YouTube lately. So one of the last things that's been taking up time, my son is getting into lifting and wanting to work out. My wife is wanting to work out as well, and they were wanting me to work out with them and help train. So this happened. I had some old weight equipment that I used to work out with years ago when I was in high school. My boy's been working with me, saving a lot of money, so we bought some new gym equipment, do squats, everything with, and that's been tying up a lot of time. Spent a lot of time. Now we're working out 5 days a week, going to work, coming home, getting with these guys, and we're working out like an hour, hour and a half, 5 days a week, trying to make some changes there. So as we made adjustments to life, trying to figure out good balance, right? Get home, get this done, get dinner done, settle in. So still trying to figure out and get things done. I find that extra time to start creating again and videoing again, and that's going to happen. It's just taking time to make those adjustments. So between the beginning of the year, working on that trailer, which we got all that done, got Roy all moved in, looks good. I know I didn't do a finish out video on that, but that was done, and now we're doing the workout. We're getting this stuff all taken care of, and life's kind of getting back in its own flow. Then we'll have I'm seeing my extra time that I need again, so we can start working on some Halloween stuff. So anyway, Halloween's coming up soon. I'm gonna start working on the yard, maybe start doing a few things around here. I don't know about tutorials coming out soon, but I'll keep you guys up to date on the stuff that I'm working on. Anyway, hopefully get my act together and start putting some stuff out there, and we'll see you guys next time.